Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting the essentials in place and launching calibration immediately. Plug your interface and mic, then choose the headphone or speaker target inside Soundid Reference. Once done, select the correct sample rate and target curve so the software knows your goal. Make sure the room is quiet and position the mic precisely at ear height or on the headphone's preferred mounting. Start the test sweep to capture raw measurements and keep watching the meters until the sweep completes successfully. You'll now perform the detailed measurement and adjust filters to match the target. Run the full sweep and repeat for both left and right channels, then inspect the measured curve against the chosen target. Apply smoothing and compensation filters to remove anomalous spikes and use tilt or bass shelf controls to correct broad tonal balance. Once you see consistent left/right alignment, save interim profiles and listen to a reference track to validate tonal neutrality before moving to final application in your DAW. You're almost done. Apply the saved Soundid profile to your playback chain and confirm it's active in your DAW or system. Listen to several reference tracks and, if possible, test on a second headphone to ensure consistency across sources. Lock profile settings to avoid accidental changes and export the profile for backups. If results sound odd, check mic positioning and room noise first. Rerun the sweep with mic repositioned and ensure cables and driver settings aren't introducing hum or dropouts before recalibrating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.